Alright, so I've been getting some comments and some DMs from people asking me what is the best beginner skate park here in San Antonio, Texas. Like, if not the best, at least one of the best skate parks for beginners. So I just thought about it. Like, if I was a beginner and I wanted to go to a skate park, and like, what would be the best skate park for me? This is my own personal opinion, but I would have to say Martinez Skate Park. I was actually reading some of the Google reviews, and apparently there's some people on there that do agree with me, but we're gonna get into all that more towards the end of the video. First, let me show y'all around for those of y'all who haven't been here, and let's just skate the park. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so the first reason why I think this is a great skate park for beginners is because the whole skate park is full with like a bunch of these mellow banks and transition. I mean, you got a good flow to the skate park. If you're just barely learning how to like get comfortable with riding your board, this is the perfect park for that, because you can just cruise around the whole park and just you know, get comfortable with riding on your board. So another reason why I think this is a great skate park for beginners is because of the hip that's here. To be honest, this is like the only reason why I come to the skate park. I don't know what it is about this hip. It's just so fun to skate. I don't know if it's like the way it was made or what, but I'm pretty sure if the hip wasn't here, I wouldn't be coming to the skate park. Let's say you're a beginner, you have like the basic flat ground tricks down, and you want to take them down something, but you're not quite ready to take them down a set of stairs. I love skating this hip. I just, like I said, after like just cruising around the park, just like flowing and doing a trick off this hip, like it just feels good. All right, so another reason is because of the ledge or the mani pad that's here. This ledge is perfect to start learning how to do your 50s, or even if you want to use it for a manual pad, you know, you can just, if you want to start learning how to do a regular manual or nose manual, I feel like this ledge is perfect for that because it is pretty tiny. It's not too bad. All right guys, so with all that being said, I'm not saying this whole skate park is for beginners, because the whole other side, like the whole other half, is actually more for like if you're an advanced skater. There is a massive handrail that's probably the tallest handrail at a skate park here in San Antonio, right next to an 8 stair and a steep ass hubba. And also, obviously, if you're a vert skater, you know, you got this bowl right here that I'm standing right in the middle of. For the most part, I feel like this skate park is perfect for beginners. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. Like I said guys, everyone is gonna have their opinion, obviously. All right guys, so real quick before I end off this video, let me just show y'all guys the reviews I was talking about. As you can see, sorry if it keeps going in and out of focus, but right there, Martinez Skate Park, San Antonio. It's a good place for kids to learn how to skate, friendly, outgoing people. Great skate park, lots of space, good ratio. I mean, that one doesn't really say anything, but you got a little kid right there, so I mean, in a way, I guess, I mean, I don't know if you can really count that one, but this right there, best place for beginners and vert skaters. All right, so this has nothing to do with this being a beginner skate park, but I agree with this one. It's not all that great if you're visiting San Antonio. There are other great parks. This is an okay park to warm up at, but it isn't all that fun. And honestly, I agree with that, because that's usually what I come here for, just to warm up on the hip, and then I'll take off to like a street spot or another park. One of the best skate parks in the San Antonio area, a great place for beginners, pros, and everything in between. For the most part, everyone is friendly, and you can always enjoy friendly competition with friends or newly acquainted faces. Would highly recommend this park to any skater just starting or looking to start. There's another one right there, good beginner skater park. I think you meant skate park, bro. Small but a sick park, great for all levels of skateboarding. Good for beginners as well. So y'all pretty much get the point. I'm not gonna bore y'all and show all these reviews. I don't know, I just feel like if I was a beginner at skateboarding, I would probably more than likely be coming to Martinez a lot, because like I said, with everything here, you can just cruise around, get comfortable with riding your board. I mean, obviously not the other side of the park like I said and I showed y'all. All right, well, that's gonna be it. If you guys enjoyed this video at all, or this video helped you out in any way, please do me a favor, hit the like button. I would really appreciate it, and I will see y'all for the next video. Peace.